In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Captcha appears to be invalid error in just 5 minutes. This is a common issue that many users face, but thankfully it's often a quick fix. To begin, let's navigate to your browser on a Windows system. Open it up and head towards the upper right corner where you'll see a set of 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu, providing you with a variety of options. Now, from this drop-down menu, let's proceed by selecting Settings. This section is where you'll find all the configurations related to your browser. Once you're there, look for an option labeled Privacy and Security. It's crucial because it controls how your browser manages user privacy, site data, and various layers of security protocols. Within the privacy and security settings, you'll find a header or a section dedicated to cookies and other site data. This is where we need to make a change. Click on it to proceed, and now look for the settings related to third-party cookies. This is important as these settings often influence how sites communicate with each other and validate user identities through mechanisms like Captcha. You might notice that your browser has block third-party cookies enabled, which can be a common cause of this error on Steam. What we need to do is allow third-party cookies. To do this, simply check the option that says allow all cookies or a similar setting that enables third-party cookies. This should help resolve the invalid Captcha issue by allowing the Captcha service and Steam to communicate more effectively. After making this adjustment, give it a shot and try accessing Steam again. It should resolve the Captcha problem. If you're still encountering issues, it might be worth attempting a simple web page refresh by clicking the refresh button or pressing F5 on your keyboard, as sometimes a temporary network hiccup could be causing the error. Additionally, clearing your browser's cache and cookies might also help. To do this, simply return to your settings, look under privacy and security once more, and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies and then confirm the action. This will remove any stored data that might be causing the error. Once you've cleared everything, give Steam another try. Typically, these steps should help you resolve the Captcha issues and get you back to gaming in no time. Remember, some browsers handle these settings slightly differently, so feel free to explore the specifics on your own browser if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in fixing the Steam Captcha error. Happy gaming!